Hello class, good morning. It's a new week and a new lesson for us to begin working on together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and recap last week's lesson for you in case you forgot over your fun-filled weekend. We reviewed heredity. This is the passage of traits from one generation to the next. The objectives for you students were to be able to describe the process of meiosis, explain the difference between mitosis and meiosis, and research common genetic disorders. Monday, as you all remember, we described the process of meiosis and used Microsoft PowerPoint software to view the slides on the process of meiosis. Tuesday, we went over the difference between mitosis and meiosis using a compare and contrast chart on the software program Paint, making you more familiar with the text bubbles and other features that they have. On Wednesday, we went over the common genetic disorders and you each chose your own disorder, typed to paper via software program Microsoft Word, allowing you to become more familiar with that program, as well as discussed it with the class in order to become more knowledgeable. Thursday, we watched an educational DVD on genetic disorders and then had a group discussion. A podcast is used using recording software to create a lecture, which I've done here for you today, using a microphone and a computer. I've created a podcast for you today simply because I believe it's important in today's society to get familiar with technology. Most of you listening to this probably have your own computer at home, and there are many benefits of podcasting and using it in our classroom. I, of course, will be using it more frequently to give you lessons related to our classroom. And in the future, I plan to have you, the students, create your own podcast as a group project in the near future, so you will have knowledge of how to create your very own podcast. I hope that we have a wonderful week together and will continue to broaden our knowledge not only in science, but in technology as well, as it is becoming more frequently important in today's society.